All right, let's take a look at the solution to number 2 from yesterday. Quite a variety of answers on this one. So a lot of you just went ahead and did 1.16 or $1.16 times 5, and you totally skipped the unit rate thing. So here this question says, determine the cost of 5 pounds of bananas if 2 pounds cost $1.16. So if we identify what we are comparing, that's cost per pound of bananas. So what did they tell us? They told us that it costs $1.16 for 2 pounds. And what are they asking us? They are asking us how much does 5 pounds cost? Well, here it wouldn't make any sense to try to change a 2 into a 5. There is no good way to do that. So that's why you would resort to using a unit rate. So what we have is $1.16 or 1.16 over 2 for the 2 pounds. And we're going to find the cost of 1 pound and then use that cost of 1 pound to find the cost of 5 pounds. Again, here your calculator is going to come into play. I would take that 2 and I would divide it by 2 to turn it into a 1. So I am going to do the exact same thing to the 1.16 or the $1.16. I'm going to divide it by 2. I can use a calculator to do that. 1.16 divided by 2 is 0.58. So that means it costs 58 cents for 1 pound of bananas. So then I'm just going to go back and I'm going to ask myself, how am I going to turn that 1 into a 5? I'm going to multiply 1 times 5. How am I going to turn 58 cents then into the cost of 5 bananas? I'm going to take 0.58 and I'm going to multiply it by 5. Yes, you may use a calculator. When you do it on the calculator, however, you get 2.9. So if we're talking about $2.9, then we would take that and use appropriate money notation where you put the dollar sign. It's not just $2.9, it's $2.90 or $2.90. So that was the answer I was looking for. I hope that this makes more sense.